When we started Valley Farm Animal Hospital, our main objective was to be the best that there is. We feel that we're getting there. Every day we work harder at it, and we still maintain that that's our main objective every day, to keep on pushing to be the best.
Our team's aim at Valley Farm Animal Hospital is to provide the highest quality veterinary care with compassion, commitment and absolute professionalism.
The love for animals for me drove me here. I come here and I see the people here loving animals. I fell in love with animals, fell in love with my job.
Teamwork is very important at Valley Farm. We always look after each other, and it's great to work with each other and to be part of the team of Valley Farm. It's really, really awesome.
I've been working here for 12 years and I enjoy working with animals, and the staff here is professional. Everyone, doctors, nurses and the kennelmen.
Valley Farm is a wonderful place to work for. It's a very enriching environment. People here are very friendly. We help save lives as far as we can, and it's a wonderful place. I enjoy it here.
Our philosophy at Valley Farm is to know that we appoint people that will add value to the practice, not only through the work they do, but also the interaction with our clients. It is important that our clients leave the practice feeling they've received the best possible service.
I love working here. It's such a diverse place with all the different cultures and all the different people. It's like having a second family here.
Working at Valley Farm has been the highlight of my career. All of us working here give the utmost best towards our patients. I am so fortunate to work with such a committed team.
I've been working at Valley Farm for 11 years now. Many things have changed over the years, but one thing that stayed the same is the service that we offer to our clients.
We try to treat every client with compassion. We understand that for many this is a very stressful time, so we try to make the process as smooth as possible.
We try to make our clients feel at ease when they walk through the door.
We are fortunate at Valley Farm Animal Hospital to have state-of-the-art video endoscopy and ultrasound machines available for determining accurate diagnoses in small animal patients, and we also then have the opportunity to provide specialist care to the pet owner, the concerned pet owner, and to help us manage our cases better.
Valley Farm Animal Hospital prides itself in the fact that we have an incredibly professional team of people working here. We've just completed an orthopedic surgery on this dog, and everything should go well, and that is thanks to a very strong team that is well trained.
When we started 20 years ago, our main aim was to improve the quality of pets' lives, and I really think we've achieved that. Tim and myself are both very grateful for the support of our colleagues and our clients. And with the continual support of our clients, we intend to grow even further and hopefully expand our facilities and become even better than what we currently are.